Today we are working on Common Core 5th grade math review, 6C. Number 1, we have 42 times 84. So we'll set that up vertically, 42 times 84. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. Moving over to the 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Write the 6, carry the 1. 8 times 4 is 32, plus the 1 we carried is 33. Add 8 plus nothing is 8. 6 plus 6 is 12. Write the 2, carry the 1. 3 and 1 is 5. And then 3 plus nothing is 3. So we have 3,528. Number 2, we have 259 divided by 8. So we'll set that up. The 259 goes inside the division box. And we're dividing by 8. 8 is too big to go into 2, so we cannot write anything above the 2. It can go into 25 3 times. 8 times 3 is 24. Subtract and bring down your 9 to get 19. 8 can go into 19 2 times. 2 times 8 is 16. And we subtract and get 3. We used to say remainder 3, but now we say 3 out of our divisor, 8. So 32 and 3 8. Number 3, how many ones are in 43 and 8/10? This is the ones place, so there are 3 1s. How many tenths are in 2 and 32 hundredths? This is the tenths place, so there are 3. How many hundredths are in 65 and 32 hundredths? This is the hundredths place, so there are 2. Number 4, use place value patterns to complete the table. We want to multiply by 9. We want to multiply by 10 and then divide by 10. So here we have 900. To multiply by 10, we move our decimal 1 place to the right. So we'll have 0.9, which is red 9/10. To divide by 10, we would move that decimal 1 place to the right. 1 place to the left, pardon me, 0.009. This would be 10, a 9 in the hundredths, thousandths place. So tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So 9 thousandths. When you divide it by 10, 9 tenths when you multiply it by 10. Okay, we have 5 and 1/10. That when we multiply it by 10, it will be 51. When we divide it by 10, it'll be 51 hundredths. And then we have 4/10. When we multiply that by 10, it'll be 4. When we divide it by 10, it will be 4 hundredths. Number 5, we have an order of operations problem. And we have multiple sets of grouping symbols. And whenever we have that, we need to work from the inside out. So we'll start with the 3 plus 1, which is 4, and then bring everything else down. And then inside of the brackets, we need to follow the order of operations. So we have multiplication first. 2 times 4 is 8. So this is, I'm just going to write this as 8 right here so we don't run out of space. And then 15 minus 8 is, then we do left to right for addition and subtraction. So 15 minus 8 is 7, plus 2 is 9. So this is all 9. And then bring down the times, bring down the 5, and then bring down the times 2. So then we have 5 times 9, which is 45. That's inside the braces. And then 2 times 45 would give us 90. So our answer is 90. Number 6, color the model to match the decimal. We have 51 hundredths. So we need to shade in 5 tenths and 1 hundredth. So 5 tenths will be 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1 hundredth will be just this 1 square. So we'll shade in 5 entire columns and then 1 square. Okay, so that gives us 51 hundredths. Number 7, write the next 2 numbers in the number pattern. And they give us a hint that this is a two-step pattern. Okay, so I'll look at every other step to help me with that two-step pattern, since that's a very nice hint. So we have, looks like it's just +3 for each of these. All right, and then this looks like it'll be subtract 4 from 13 to 9, 8 to 12. Okay, so that's our pattern, +3, then -4. So we'll continue that pattern. 7 + 3 would give us 10, and then 10 - 4 would give us 6. Number 8, you bought your sister Mary Ann 4 gifts that cost $16 each. How much did you spend on her gift? So it is $16 per gift times 4 gifts. 4 times 6 is 24, right? The 4 carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus the 2 we carried is 6. So $64 is how much you spent on Mary Ann. And that was 5th grade Common Core Math Review 6th C.